My brain is not turning on. It still hasn't powered on yet. Woo! Jesus Christ.
Here we go. Front, up, drop, down, your sexy body. Good. Point, up, open.
Is it showing off my brand new lower back tattoo?
Speed it up.
Put them in your mouth, pull them all down south. You wanna turn this shit out, that's what I'm talking about. Put them in your mouth, pull them all down south. You wanna turn this shit out, that's what I'm talking about.
Brat, back, swing, across, over your head, down. Speed it up.
Lick it, spit it, pull it to the side and get all up in it. Where I'm impressed, it might remix it. Eat it for lunch, it's so delicious.
Go back to that beginning.
Have to guess the color.
But you're doing it very chill, very cutesy like, not too much.
It's the lacy black pair with the little bows. The ones I picked out for you.
Give it to me, Brad.
I saw them when you sat down. They were peeking out. I'm gonna tell you right now, they're all I'm thinking about.
Brad, bad.
Try it, bite it, lick it, spit it, pull it to the side and get all up in it. Kiss it, bite it, can I fit it? Charlie likes boys, but she knows I'd hit it.
He's on Jersey Shore. Okay, DJ Polly D.
Look. Walk, run.
Don't have to guess the color of your